Hey guys, it's Vlogmas day 10. We only have 2 days left of our 12 days of Christmas series. Can you believe it? I had to stay up pretty late last night to finish editing the video from yesterday, so I decided to sleep in this morning or allow myself to just kind of lay in bed. And then Baloo went to daycare today because Tommy had a pretty busy day this afternoon, so we didn't do our morning walk with him either. So I actually didn't even start recording until after work today. So you're getting to see a little bit of a snowstorm coming in, and today's Friday, so we did our Friday night date night, and we decided to do some rock climbing as a little fun activity night out. And then we were going to go out for Vietnamese, but due to the snowstorm, almost everywhere was closing early, so we were able to nab some to go before they closed up. So we just had that here at home.
here's our dinner. This is, I think you say it, bonka, bong. And we got some pho. Tommy's assembling it right now. Love it. Oh, and cream cheese wontons. The best.
And Tommy is still going into work. I suggested he call off. It's like really bad out. But he wants to make that money. So he is going in. And I'm gonna finish editing these videos and try to get to bed a little earlier tonight. And we will see what fun shenanigans we get into tomorrow. We have to go back out into town to get some more gifts, kind of finish up that gift shopping, and then hopefully get the items shipped out. And then there's this like new cool store thing that I want to go to tomorrow, so I hope we get to do that and take you with us, and we'll see what else happens. But I'm gonna head off here and finish these videos, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!